Hey folks, I'm Walter, your travel advisor. We tell you guys all the time, you gotta do the math to see if a drink package is worth it for you or if you're just throwing away money to the cruise line. Here's a great example to compare. 2 cruise lines, 2 packages, same price, but completely different value. Now first, the Cheers package on Carnival Cruise Line, $59.95 per person. All adults in the cabin must get this package. The Cheers package includes all of your alcoholic drinks, cocktails, beer, wine by the glass, up to $20 per item, along with your sodas, your energy drinks, specialty coffee, hot tea, and other things like that, along with the discount that you see here. So the Cheers package is a drinks only package. And then we have Princess Plus. That's $60 per day per person in the cabin. And again, all adults have to get the same package. This includes the Plus beverage package. So that's your sodas, your cocktails, your beer, your wine, your spirit, specialty coffees, even hot chocolate, water to go smoothies, and an unlimited juice bar. Single device Wi-Fi is included. Crew gratuities are included. Premium desserts are included, up to 2 per day, and up to 2 fitness classes from Exponential. So that Princess Plus at $60 per day per person, that's more than just a drink packet. In fact, this is how it breaks down. Crew gratuities, depending on the cabin, is $16 to $18 per day per person. If you just order Wi-Fi by itself, that starts at $14.99 per person. If you purchase 1 gelato per day on your cruise, which is easy to do, that's $2.50 for a 2-scoop gelato. Now add the Wi-Fi, the gratuities, and that gelato, you get $35.50 per day is going toward those items, which means your drink package is only $24.50 per day, and you get drinks up to $15. So on the Carnival Cruises side, based on how much everything is, you need to do the math. Will you drink enough coffee, beer, cocktails, mocktails, soda to make that $60 per day worth it? Plus, you're going to be paying for the gratuities, and if you're going to get Wi-Fi, you're going to be paying extra for the Wi-Fi. Whereas over on the Princess Plus side, you're going to be paying for the crew gratuities anyway. Most of you are going to get Wi-Fi, so why not roll it in? Now you only have $24.50 per day for drinks, and that's pretty easy to do. You know, a couple of soft drinks, maybe a mocktail, a cocktail, glass of wine, maybe 1 beer. It doesn't take that much to get to $24.50 worth of value from a drink package. This is why we typically recommend Princess Plus for most of our clients if they're going on Princess. But over on Carnival side, we encourage our clients, do the math. Make sure you're really going to get $60 per day per person. Plus remember, you're paying gratuities, and if you're gonna get Wi-Fi, you're gonna pay that on top. For many of you, a drink package alone just may not be worth it, and you'd be better off paying a la carte to save some money. Whereas when you have the bundled package, that's where you really wanna take a good look and say, this just might work out better than paying for things individually.